Have you ever wanted to transport a small object across a body of water? Well, now with our project, you can. For our project, we made a boat out of 2-liter bottles, rubber bands, pencils, duct tape, and plastic lids. We have been trying to move something from one place to another. Some of the science concepts we used are power and mass and potential and kinetic energy.
We used power because the boat had to move, potential and kinetic energy because when you twist the rubber band it creates elastic potential energy, and when you let it go on the water it creates kinetic, and mass because if the propeller was too heavy then it wouldn't balance on water. So for our first boat we had to put water in the bottle so it would balance.
When you twist the rubber band, it creates elastic potential energy, and when you let go, it creates kinetic energy, making it move on the water. Yes.
In conclusion, we used power, mass, and potential and kinetic energy transformations, and the boat worked for the most part, but it could have gone a little smoother. And that's our picture of the boat. Does anybody have any questions?